Welcome back mga kajabagab! Today's recipes, magluluto tayo ng tuna tinola and grilled tuna panga. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end. And don't forget to subscribe guys. Our main ingredients guys, tuna belly. Into the pan, put 2 liters of water and some of our ingredients and let it boil. Once boiling, tuna in. Then wait 3 to 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. For the complete ingredients guys, please see the description box below. And there you have it guys, our tuna belly tinola. Wow! Yum! Ang sarap-sarap! Next recipe mga kajabagab, grilled tuna panga. Now, let's marinate our tuna panga overnight or at least 6 hours. Again, for the list of the marinade ingredients, please see the description box below. After one night, here's our tuna panga tuna belly. It's time to grill mga kajabagab. So I set the air fryer at 175 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Now it's almost done. Wow! Look at that! Perfectly cooked tuna panga and tuna belly. Let's eat guys! Yum! Thanks for watching mga kajabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye!